Hello everyone. So now this is the time for our class project and now we are on our class project number one. So here I'll be showing you guys how you can design a basics text t-shirt. Okay, so I'll be showing you how you can also do that. And if you guys face any issue while doing, you guys can always come back and refer my video on this topic. Okay, so let's see what all we learn. Let's learn the steps of what all we need to follow. So here, as you guys can see, I do have the name of the class project as designing a basic text t-shirt. And after that, I also do have a description and outcome. Okay, but I'll directly go to the steps of what all you need to follow. So the first thing will be you need to create a new file in Illustrator. Okay, and the step two will be you need to select the text tool. Okay, make sure that you use the text tool. And after that, you need to select the type of fonts you want to use. And after that, select a color for the letters. Okay, what all colors you're going to use. You guys can select those colors, make your own color palette, and actually apply all those things. And next, you need to place a plain t-shirt and put your design accordingly. Okay, so this is basically for the mock-up. Okay, make sure that you put that one. And after that, once you have your design on top of your mock-up t-shirt, in that case, save the file and just upload it in our project panel. And I'll be waiting for you guys to send you work that I can check and get back to you all. So let's see how you'll start that in Illustrator. So here, as you guys can see, I am here in the workspace. So now the first step, what I'm going to do is I have created this file. And the second one is going to be, I will select my type tool. Okay. So once I click here, as you guys can see, I can just create any text. Okay. So maybe I'll just write achieve over here. And what I'll do is I will select this whole thing out and I will just increase the font size. Okay. So I'll just increase the font size according to my need. And now I will just decrease or just bring this thing kind of over here. Select the selection tool, delete this part, select this one and bring this down somewhere over here. Select your selection tool again, select this whole thing out, and now you guys can actually select what kind of text style you want. So if I am taking this kind of text style, what I can do is I can actually play around with the spacing. Okay, so if I want to increase the spacing between the letters, you guys can see I am able to change the spacing out. Okay, and now what I'll do is I'll position this one over here. And now with my type tool, what I can do is I can just select this particular text. And if I want to give this thing a different color, I can give this thing a different color. Okay. So you guys can basically select from here. And they also do have a varieties of color from the color picker option. And what I'll do is I'll come here into my libraries as I do have different color palettes, okay, which I have named as Adobe Color 2021. Okay, so from here I can choose up a color palette. Okay, which one you think will look good better? We can actually select that particular set of colors. So I will just select this color over here. And what I'll do is I'll select this one. And now I'll select this color. And what I can do is I can just select the colors accordingly. So here, as you can see, this is the afternoon theme 9. And if I just click or hover around with my mouse, I can also see what is the color code. Okay, so the color code for this one was /63BFB6. Okay, and here you guys can see if you are taking a RGB palette, you do have the values there as well. Okay, so now again I will just do the same thing around somewhere over here. I'll take this color and I'll take this palette, and again I will select this color, and what I can do is I can just take another color from here. Okay, so I'll just take this color right over here, select this text, and I'll take some lighter color over here as well. And again I will select this text, and what I can do is I can just select different color over here as well. Okay, or I can just select this one and let me just change this color from here. Okay, so individually also we can basically make some changes. So now as you guys can see, this is just a basic font which we can work on with. Okay, so this is the basic way of designing any t-shirt. Okay, so now if you want to just come here, select your selection tool. If you want to change the length, you guys can change the length. If you want to decrease the width, you guys can decrease the width from here as well. Okay, and if you want to decrease the size proportionally, you just need to click on Alt from your keyboard, and here you guys can see I am able to decrease the size of this thing proportionally. So here I will now select this one. If I want to use any shape, I can use some shapes around. Okay, so I'll just keep a shape somewhere over here. Select the selection tool, right click, go to arrange and send to back. So here, as you guys can see, I have sent this kind of thing to back. And what I'm going to do is I will be taking a white font over here. Okay, so to this particular box, what I'm going to do is I'll select here, right click on the color picker box and select white and just click on OK. So here you guys can see I do have a white box here as well. So I will just group this thing up. Okay, so now I have grouped this thing up, and what I can do is now I'll just bring out t-shirt from my place option. So I do have this black t-shirt. I'll just click over here and I'll place this, and I will just give this size accordingly. Okay, so here as you guys can see, I have given a size to this one, and what I can do is I can just decrease the size over here, or once I come right over here, right click, go to arrange, bring to front. Okay, so now I have got this thing here in the front. If I want to place my design somewhere over here, I can actually do that. Okay, so for that again I need to just decrease the size proportionally. So I'll just select this one over here, and I am ready with the t-shirt design. As you guys can see, this is how you guys can actually make a basic text t-shirt design. I'll be waiting for you guys to send me your work, and just come here to the file option, go to save as, and come to save on your computer. And wherever you want to just save this file, as I'm going to save this file here in my resource file. Okay, so I'll just save this file as class project number one. So I have just saved this down here as well. I'll just click on OK, and you guys should upload that particular document into our project panel that I can check those out. So hope to see you all in the next chapter. Till then, take care and goodbye, everyone.